Alam mo ba, the moment you start doing things just to prove people wrong, you allow them to control your life. Why? Because every decision that you'll make will revolve around them. Pag ganyan, you might catch yourself saying things like, kailangan maging successful ako kasi ang iniisip ng mga tao, wala akong mararating. Or, dapat gumanda ako para pag nakita ko ulit yung mga nambuli sa akin, mahuyo ko sila. O kaya naman, sabihin mo, magpapayaman ako para hindi na nila kami maliitin. It's nice that you want to improve your life. But the people who dislike you shouldn't be your motivation to grow. If you want to be better, do it only for yourself and for God. No one should dictate how you will live your life. Remember, focus on improving and not on proving.